1999, I was doing some research to actually plan a trek from either Lebret or Fort Qu'Appelle to Batoche on Red River carts. So I did some research on the carts, and then at the same time I was looking for somebody who knew how to build carts and trying to get plans and ideas and techniques from them. I spent about 6 months trying to find people, having great difficulty. And then out of the blue one day, the Lebret Farm Foundation called me and asked me if I ever found somebody who can build a Red River cart, because they wanted one. My brother Stan and I, we started, I believe it was late October. It actually took us 2 months to put together the cart, but we just went from pictures. We went to the museum, we measured up one in the museum, but when I did the research, it came to my attention, the one in the museums are Eastern Canadian design. All oak, all finely milled lumber. That's not what we have out here in the prairies. I found a book on prairie transportation, and lo and behold, there's some Red River carts in there with a good Western Canadian design made out of spruce, poplar, and fir. We're to the stage now where we're just working on the hubs. Once we get those hubs done, we're laughing. You know, to bore that hole in that hub is a chore. The one method we researched was to drill a pilot hole and then you hand chisel it out. That's what we did. It took us 2 days to chisel one hole in a hub, you know. Now we've heard techniques where you drill a series of pilot holes, you punch it out and then chisel it, fine it. There's also a burning technique apparently. A pilot hole, you use a hot iron or a torch and you burn it on the way back while constantly fitting it on the axle. So that's the hard part, is the hub itself and the wheel. Then my sister Pat got involved, and she was commissioned to build the second cart. It took her 2 weeks. So I guess that's that learning curve. Once we had it designed and the techniques down, that's how long it should take. And that's something that we really want to be as authentic as possible. And that's what we see today is what we're trying to accomplish. Then we're hoping that that cart will actually stay here on site for all to see forever, as long as that Batoche Days event goes on.